Luxury Fred, and I am in Basel, Switzerland, about to start my Viking cruise adventure down the Rhine River. And to start it, I've spent a couple days here in Basel, staying right here at the Pullman Basel, which is a really, really nice hotel right in the center of town. Not in the center of kind of the old town, but in the center of the... Been staying right here at the Pullman Basel, which is right in the center of town. It's on Strasse, and the Rhine River is about a 5-minute walk that way, and Messeplatz and the big convention center is about a 2-minute walk that way. You can see it behind me right there. So again, Luxury Fred here in Basel, Switzerland, staying at the Pullman Basel. Okay, it is Luxury Fred, and I am off on yet another adventure, and I find myself for the first time in Basel, Switzerland. And I'm in Basel because I'm about to embark on a Rhine River cruise with Viking Cruises that starts here. And we're going to go down the Rhine through or next to Switzerland, France, and Germany, and ending in Amsterdam. Before I continue, let me please ask you to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Just click the little subscribe button there, and I post lots of luxury travel and luxury car and food and wine content from my adventures as a travel and auto writer. So again, I'm in Basel, Switzerland, and I am at the Pullman Basel. And Pullman is a very interesting hotel brand. It is owned by Accor Hotels, the large European hotel conglomerate. And interestingly, you might have heard the Pullman name because it does originate from the Pullman train cars in the 19th century. If I'm not mistaken, the guy's name was George Pullman, and he had the idea of creating a sleeping train car so that when you went on these long distances, you could have almost like a little hotel room. So I believe that the company that did the Orient Express, a French name that I cannot pronounce, but the train company that did the Orient Express started using the Pullman name, and as a lot of transportation companies did, they got into the hotel business, so they created hotels that were along their railways, and they used the name Pullman on the hotels. The brand went away for a while, then it was resurrected, and now it is a new luxury business hotel brand of Accor Hotels. So you get all the benefits of Accor's frequent stay program and things like that. I'm going to put the name of it right there. I forget what it's called off the top of my head. Anyhow, I am at the Pullman here in Basel, and the first thing that we liked is the location of this hotel is really central. We're on a street called Strasse, and we're about a block from the big convention center area where they have Art Basel and all that kind of stuff, which is Messeplatz. And again, we're about a 5-minute walk down the street, and then the other direction, we're a 5-minute walk from the river. And we had lunch here at an amazing fancy hotel called the Grand Hotel Les Trois Rois. At their brasserie, and you can watch that video on my YouTube channel. But that is right on the Rhine, and that was also a 5-minute walk from this hotel. So real central location. The other thing I wanted to mention is it was incredibly easy to get here on public transportation. The hotel sends you a confirmation of your room, and that confirmation is good for your travel on public transportation to get here. So we took a big bus from the airport to the main train station, and then we hopped on one of the trams that was right in front of the train station, and the tram took us right to Messeplatz, and then it was a 2-minute walk again right here to the hotel. So it was really easy to get here from the airport. This is a basic room, and let me give you a tour of my room here at the Pullman Basel. First, we have a luxury latrice planning our adventures and things like that for our upcoming cruise. But you can see you have a basic room. It's nothing fancy. It's not a suite or anything like that. We do have very nice views of the rooftops. This is a 6-story hotel, and we are on the top floor of the hotel. And to the right, you can see the old town, the Altstadt, and the river. You can't quite see it, but if you walk down the street that we're on, that leads right to the Rhine down there. So we have a very comfortable bed, extremely comfortable. Have this nice chair over here. We have this small workspace. Something I wish they had is they have these adapters, but they don't have a US adapter. Some hotels have the US plug here. They don't have that. And the hotel did not even have any adapters that they could send up. Fortunately, there's kind of a grocery store right next door, and I was able to buy that, but it would have been nice if they had some that they could send up for us to lend us during our stay, like some hotels do. So we have a little coffee set up here. We have our in-room safe in there, and then we have a mini bar down in there with cold stuff, a refrigerator. You have your big screen TV, which does have full satellite TV with lots of channels, kind of an area here for your luggage. Little side tables on each side of the bed. You do have kind of digital lighting controls where this turns everything off and this turns individual things on and off. And you do have the digital lighting controls on both sides of the bed. Compact bathroom with a sliding bathroom door here. And again, very compact bathroom with a shower here that's separated by this glass. You have your little toilet area over there, and then a stylish but compact sink. Okay. Continuing on into the hall, we have kind of an area here to hang up your stuff, and then you have to put your key card in here to keep the electricity on, which is common in a lot of European hotels. You have your deadbolt here, and then you have a closet space. Excuse the towels down there. We did that. The hotel didn't do that. And then you have a closet space up here. And if you want to stay in this room, this is room 611. Room 611. So, if I may turn the camera back on myself, I think that's it. That completes the tour of my room, room 611, here at the Pullman Hotel in Basel, Switzerland. Thank you very much for watching. You can read more about my adventure at luxuryfred.com, and you can also read more of my reviews and other travel writing at businesstravelerusa.com. Again, please subscribe to my channel. Follow me on social media at luxuryfred. And again, thank you very much for watching.